Cakeology Cafe and Bakery by Vee Eff in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. This cafe was inspired by the brand name. Alluding to the science of making cakes, the layout of the cafe cleverly guides patrons through the various stages of cake production. From the entrance, which symbolizes the start of the process, to the exit, where the perfected cakes are proudly displayed. Every corner breaks down a different part of the cake-making process. This type of experiential, exhibition-like designIt invites patrons to explore and appreciate the intricacies of baking. Central to the design is the focal point, the coffee and pastry bar. Bathed in the glow of the main lighting feature, a custom-designed translucent 3D stretch ceiling hanging over the entire bar serves as the pulsating heart of the factory. Along the perimeter of the space, a datum has been established at a certain height using a pebbled finish and the top of stainless steel built-in seating. The pebbled finish continues onto the flooring, covering the entire 65 sqm of the space, and adds a tactile element to the space. An eclectic choice of subdued colored furniture accompanies the built-in bench, adding a touch of flair to the otherwise neutral space. Flanking the bench on either side and cladding in the same stainless steel are built-in display boxes that display different parts of the baking process. Stainless steel fixtures and sharp edges dominate the space, evoking the precision and efficiency of a modern bakery. Additionally, the chamfering of the corners of the space, as well as the sharp bar edges, promotes wayfinding and natural circulation of the visitor. The final stage of the journey brings visitors to a gallery-like space, where the baked masterpieces are showcased in similar stainless steel display boxes. The space is designed to resemble the feel of a factory, an elegant, sharp, sleek, and clean approach to an industrial choice of materials.